Hey friends, it's me, Jess. This is going to be a quick video because I'm on vacation, but I did want to share that I found both of the kits that Crackle Barrel has. Crackle Barrel is a restaurant here in the United States, mostly in the southern states, as I'm visiting my parents who live in Florida. While I was driving down, I stopped for lunch, and after I was, at the register, I this box caught my eye, and it was the shape of the box that obviously caught my eye. I went and checked it out, and I was like, they have diamond paintings. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what they have. It's going to be very quick, nothing crazy. So let me show you. Okay, so it's by Craft Buddy Crystal Art Scroll Kit. I think it is called Scroll Kit because I believe it has hangers. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see. And it looks like it's a full diamond painting, and it says Peacock Peony. Hold. On the rest of the box, it definitely has like what's inside, the size of it, 35 by 45 centimeters. What I really am interested in is seeing this, because you can see how it's shaped, like they're not straight lines. So I think I'm going to like that. Let's open it up and see. And this is what I was talking about, the frame. It looks like it comes with this frame. Okay. All right. So that is the back of the box. It shows exactly what's in it. And how to use it, how to do the diamond painting. This was $14.99, not on sale. And I thought that was way more than appropriate. So let's see. Okay, so you pull it out of the box and the frame is already attached to it. Then it has the legend on the side here. Okay, it looks like there are DMC numbers, alphabets, some numbers, and an asterisk. As far as I can see, it doesn't look like there's any ABs, but we will get to that. Okay, so that's the top, and it's telling you to cut that strip off to use. So we're going to open it up. So I unrolled it, and look what it says. Officially licensed by Craft Buddy Ltd. It's giving the size again, and it's telling you to cut that. I guess you can if you wanted to, but I don't think there's a need to actually cut it. This little rope right here is going to be the top of the framing, which is already done. It's probably glued in or something. So let's turn this around and see. Okay, so I opened it up. The drill fill looks really clear. I just want you to take a look at what I'm saying. So see the feathers? They're shaped. The diamonds are like, it tells you to go around in the shape of it. And the flowers, the tree branch, it's all in shapes. So if you like only straight lines, this is not going to be the kit for you. As far as like multi-placing, I still think there's opportunities to multi-place. So the drill fill is really clear. But like I said, there is room to multi-place, like where those J's are. You're just going to have to move it a little bit. There's not really guide circles. It's just kind of haloed around it. The drill fill is really clear. Let me put this down and see how sticky it is. Okay, so the drill filled, the plastic is really thick. It's nice. It's sticky. It's not the stickiest, but it's sticky. I like that. And I also like that because it's already framed. I'm going to zoom out a little. Because it's already framed, it doesn't have, like how it doesn't have the legend on the side, which I really hate having to cover up. But that's why the legend is down here. You cut that off and you can use that as your guide. So you could just do it and frame it. This would probably take, about, like a 12 hours. If you have 12 hours in a row, you could probably do the whole thing or so. Whatever a 35 by 40 diamond painting normally takes you, whatever speed. It's not a race. It's just really pretty. Let me show you the diamonds. So I just turned on my flash just so you guys could see a little bit better. It comes in a folded heat sealed bags. So it looks like it just has the symbol, and that CAS is actually the kit. So the bags, each individual bag just has the symbol. Okay, so there's no like DMC numbers on here. Wait, are they? No, there's not. It also comes with the toolkit, a simple pen. It does have a multi-place. It looks like a 3-placer, some wax, some baggies. Here's their Instagram. Okay, looks like it's from the UK. It looks like they have other kits, like off the canvas kits. This is, I guess, kind of why. Like, they make coasters too. And you know, if you guys have ever gotten kits from Amazon or wherever you get your coaster kits from, it follows the pattern of the project and not necessarily like, you know, like a straight line and then forming the look. I'm excited about this because I feel like it's going to work up pretty quick, and I've been looking for a really nice peacock kit for a while and never liked anything I saw, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to edit this video and get this up for you guys, but yeah, if you check out, if you have a Crackle Barrel around you, you can go and shop. Now, the two that I saw was this kit and a horse kit, where there was like 2 horses. They were like chestnut colored horses. I think they had bridles, so they weren't like wild horses. They were like, you know, like farm horses or whatever. All right, guys, so this is the kit that I got from Crystal Art, or Craft Buddy. Crystal Art Scroll Kit. I think they're calling it Scroll because it has, you know, it's already framed for you. So you do it and it's done. All right, guys, I hope I'll show you updates when I actually do it. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys. Bye.